control. Now text control we will learn about now. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Text wrapping I have just explained. Here it is later written, it help multiple line of text to display in a single cell. So here multiple of line is displaying in single cell. If the number of text will be more, then it will display in the single cell. See, when you drag it down, you will see. Means it adjusts vertically. Okay. So in a single cell, you can see the number of text written. Okay. Clear? It will not go
Yes, ma'am.
it will not reach after sorry, in the next column, but it will adjust in the same cell in a multiple line. Shrink to fit option is given where it is given. Yeah, here it is given. Text swapping is here. Shrink to fit option. So for that we have to suppose that I have selected this one. Alignment. Shrink to fit. What it does, it shrink the text so that it fit or it adjusts itself within the uh, cell number or cell size is given. Cell has already a size, so it automatically adjusts and format the text so that it shrink itself and adjust in the cell. Clear? Clear? Now, merge cell,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
merge cell, you know, I have explained just. Merge cell will help to convert two or two column. Suppose that if you want to convert this two into a single, so you have to select this two and then you have to go to merge cell option. Merge cell option is given here also and here also. Okay, at the alignment group it is given on the ribbon. So from here you can merge two cell and convert it into a single column. So here it has two text written. It has taken the top one cell's value as a main topic or main text, and it has written this only. Okay, clear? So here we
Yes,
have
ma'am.
converted two cell into a single cell. And here we have converted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cell that are in column into one cell. Okay, clear children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, children. Now, let's go to the next option. Text control is complete. Okay, applying border. Now, to apply border, what you have to do, you have to use border feature. Okay. So for that, you have to select the group of cell that you are having. And then after, what you have to use, you have to go to here where border is given, here border is given. Or as you click on the font launcher, you will get format, cell format dialog box. Okay, in that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 tabs given. So each tab have for different, each tab used for different work, and it helps to set the cells feature. Okay. Now here we are learning about border. So we will click on border tab, and from here we can select the border style. We can select the color for the border. Okay. And we can click on inside border. It fill inside. Okay. As you can see in the preview, the style that I have taken is appearing in at the center only. Now for outer border, you can select the border. You can take different color. Okay. Okay. And you can click on border. So it will apply to border, outer border. Okay. Now from fill, you can select the fill. Let's take a light fill. Okay. And then you can click on OK. So here, this is the inside border. This is the outside border, double border. You might have noticed. You can notice here. Okay, double line border and dotted dash line border inside with the color that I have taken for shading. So this you can apply for border. And if you don't want any border apply there, suppose that if you don't want to apply, it is not selected. Table must be selected first. Now table is selected. As we click on this tab, see here, if we don't want to show inside border, we can remove it from here. Okay, if you want to if we want to show, we can click on this. If don't want to show the right side one or the bottom side one, we can click and we can use it. See, we are having this much only. Okay, so like this we can set the border as per our choice. Now next topic, that is selecting background color and fill color, that we have done already. Number formatting, the most important number formatting. Okay. So number formatting means to format the number. Okay. Here we have selected this number and we are going to use number formatting. The number formatting is given. This is number formatting group. From here we can set, but we are getting very less options here. So to get more option, we can go to launcher of number format, that is number tab. Here it is showing in journal. Okay. If we want to show in number, then we can use number. Number will be this, and the value of decimal place will be 2. That's why it is showing 30, and here it is showing 3 only. Okay. So as we click on OK, we will get the value. Okay. Now, so to convert the value into number,